Show me how cowboys can rope. Whoa, whoa. You gotta back up a little bit.
Here?
Yeah, perfect. Wow, you look like a real cowboy. What did they rope?
Or something can pull.
They can pull something?
Huh?
What did they pull?
Also like
Whoa.
also they can rope something like the thing like right?
Mhm.
And then also cowboys can do like this.
Woo! Yeah, you're right. They sure do. That's awesome. Do you have a fun time today at the Chuck Wagon? Huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Did you take care of Jack?
Yep, we took care of Jack.
Like this.
All right.
But let me